So guys, thank you for checking ACUMAN. I'm Alex. When our parents are getting old, of course their body's condition will not as good as they used to be, especially for their muscles, because their muscles quality will decline a lot. Even though like my Shifu, who's the grandmaster of Kung Fu, he might have the same problems. Why? The elders, like your parents, like my Shifu, who got a really serious back pain problem. What should we do? Luckily, my Shifu told me that don't panic, Alex. In this kind of situation, you just need to press one acupoint and then your back pain you just wipe away. So, which acupoint? Let's find out. We're gonna use two acupoints for today, which is called Weiling point and Jinling point. So, where's these two acupoints? Both of those acupoints on the back side of our hand. So how to find it? To find those 2 points, we're gonna find the gap between our index and middle finger and the middle finger on the ring finger first. As you can see, there's 2 gaps over here. Let's assume that there's 2 extra lines on the end of your gap, which means right here. And at those points, we're gonna use 3 fingers as the measurement. Right between this point and this point are the Weiling point and Jinling point we are talking about. So why those acupoints works? In addition to the problem of low back pain, those acupoints can also have the effect of relaxing the nerves, relieve pain, and relieve redness and headache. So remember those points, we're gonna use that later, okay? So how do we press those points? To press those 2 points, we're gonna use our index and middle finger of our other hand to find those points for our hands. Press it at the same time with the melody palm. I remember try to rotate your hands so it got a better effect. Keep doing that for 5 minutes. Let's change another hand and doing the same thing. Well, my Shifu also told me there's an ancient Chinese motto said 花有重开日，人无再少年, which means the flowers can re-blooming for next year, but for the elders, they don't have the second chance to be younger again. So the 2 points I just mentioned is not really important to our parents, but also useful for us, because keeping our body's health is a really important thing we should do. Alright, that's this ACUMAN. If you like our program, please subscribe us or leave a comment below. So, until next time, bye!